Welcome to JH. Today we are diving into Clapper, the social video app that has been grabbing a lot of headlines lately. Clapper claims to provide a space where you can share your thoughts freely without the heavy hand of censorship, offering short videos, live streams, and the ability to monetize your fans. Because clearly, what the world really needs right now is another platform to broadcast our unfiltered opinions to strangers. But the big question remains, is this app actually legit? Let's find out together. First off, the app is available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, which is a promising sign. This means it has cleared the security hurdles and met the standards set by our tech overlords at Google and Apple, making it safe to download. To make things even more official, Clapper provides an actual email, a phone number, and even a physical address for customer support. It is truly heartening to know that if the app glitches, you have a specific building to go to and stare at intensely until someone helps you. Checking out their social media presence, Clapper is quite active on Facebook, Instagram, and X. On Instagram alone, they have over 44,000 followers, which shows they are actually engaging with a real community. We even managed to find the CEO and founder, Edison Chun, on LinkedIn. Knowing there is a real person running the show, and not just a sentient algorithm, definitely adds a layer of transparency and credibility to the whole operation. When it comes to user reviews, the Play Store boasts a 4.5-star rating, but we decided to dig a bit deeper by looking at the discussions on Reddit. Users there describe Clapper as a solid alternative to TikTok, praising its simple interface and the fact that its servers are based in Texas. Apparently, your data is much safer when it's stored near a good barbecue joint. However, it isn't all perfect. The community is smaller, the video editing tools are a bit bare bones, and new users have reported some technical glitches. It is essentially TikTok's younger, slightly awkward cousin who hasn't quite figured out how to use a filter yet. So is Clapper legit? Based on everything we have seen, the answer is yes. It is on the major app stores, has transparent leadership, and maintains a consistent online presence. While it might be smaller and occasionally buggy, it is a safe and viable option if you are looking for a TikTok alternative with a bit more freedom. That is all for today, friends. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and app reviews that you'll probably watch while you're supposed to be working.